Brake pads aren't the only parts you should think about when replacing a set on a vehicle. We have 3 more items to consider next. Hi, my name is David Sickles with Tire Review. Brake hardware is often a second thought when it comes to replacing a set of brake pads. However, there are a few items you might want to consider when ordering your next set. First, caliper guide pins. If the caliper isn't free to move, the culprit might be bent or binding mounting pins. Even if guide pins are not damaged, swollen or hardened guide seals or a lack of lubrication may cause the caliper to bind, which will result in uneven pad wear. Always inspect all mounting surfaces and hardware for corrosion, wear, or misalignment. Replace all mounting hardware and install a replacement caliper using the proper caliper lubricant. Second, anti-rattle clips. Heating and cooling cycles can weaken springs and anti-rattle clips. Weak parts can result in excessive caliper and pad movement or binding, causing noise and other related problems. This can lead to uneven and premature pad wear, rotor wear, and pulling. On some floating calipers, the most neglected piece of hardware is the clip in the bridge. Third, pad separators. Many OEMs are now including springs that are designed to push the pad away from the rotor after the piston retracts. These clips can increase fuel economy while eliminating brake noise. These springs and clips can be difficult to install, but they always should be reinstalled. Some aftermarket brake companies are offering a solution that can be used on the caliper. These clips are designed to push the pad away from the rotor, and this can keep the brakes cooler, reduce noise, and extend the life of the pad. The clips fit between the pads and rotor and push the pads away from the rotor. I'm David Sickles coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.